The electronic key must be outside the vehicle within a range of approximately 1 metre on the relevant door side. Press the button on the door handle to unlock the vehicle and pull the door handle to open the door. To open the boot lid, press the touchpad under the boot lid moulding. To lock the door upon leaving, press the button on the door handle or press the button on the remote control. Now I'd like to point out that the keyless entry settings are configurable. For example, the button on the driver's door can be configured to open only the driver's door or all doors. Refer to the owner's manual for more information. To just use the vehicle accessories without starting the engine, press the start-stop button without placing your foot on the pedal. Now, to start the engine, follow these steps. For keyless engine start, the electronic key must be inside the vehicle. Manual transmissions, such as we have here, require the clutch and brake pedals to be applied at the same time as pressing the start-stop button. To stop the engine, you only need to push the start-stop button. For automatic transmissions, place your foot on the brake and press the start-stop button.